it out. Let me not lie, this style is simple more than what I thought of when I first started with this size of material used to give me a lot of concern whenever I want to create something with it. But guess what? After creating style with it, I finally fall in love with every style I create with it, despite the fact that the material is small. Now let's talk about how the style is being created. If you have been going with me, you will notice that I folded the material into 3 parts. I closed it up and I placed from the back of the hair. I gather everything at the front with elastic band, while I now pick one part of it, roll it around the other and pin it down with an office pin, leaving an angle out. Now this is the last part. I stretch it out, use it to meet that angle there, using pin to secure After securing that part down, all I am left with is the other angle, so I secure it down again with pin and use my hand to adjust all adjustables. Guys, if you have watched to this length, you see that this is so simple and straightforward. If you want more of the simple head wrap, drop a like and leave a comment for me saying more. Do not forget to share to reach beginners, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!